Mom, you will never believe what happened at school today because something amazing happened, and I have been excited to tell you.
Sweetheart, I really want to hear your news, but I need a little more time to finish this important report before my deadline tonight.
Dad, I finally won first place in the science competition after spending weeks working on my project every evening after school.
That is wonderful news, Emma, and I am incredibly proud of your hard work, but
I need to finish this business call first.
It feels like everyone in this house is always busy with work, meetings, or studying, and nobody has time anymore.
I understand how you feel because I have been buried in books lately, trying my best to prepare for my final exams.
I really miss the days when we all sat together at dinner and shared stories about our day without distractions.
Work has been extremely stressful lately, and I have been doing everything I can just to keep up.
Your mother and I are working hard because we want to give this family a comfortable and secure future.
But what is the point of having a successful future if nobody has enough time to enjoy being together right now?
Honestly, sometimes I feel the same way, because everyone seems to be chasing success, but forgetting happiness.
It feels like this house gets quieter every day, even though all of us are still living here together. Please do not think we are ignoring you, because everything we do is out of love for this family. I know you love me, Mom, but sometimes I wish I could feel that love instead of just hearing about it.
Things will calm down soon, and when they do, we will spend much more time together as a family.
Dad, you have said that before, and every time another project or meeting seems to replace family time.
She is right, because we keep waiting for the perfect moment, but somehow that moment never arrives.
Maybe we have been so focused on responsibilities that we forgot what truly matters in life.
Tomorrow is my award ceremony, and it would mean the world to me if all of you were there.
I cannot promise anything right now, but I will honestly do everything possible to make it there.
I do not want promises anymore, because what I really want is for my family to be present.
Hearing that makes me realize how much we may have been taking these moments for granted.
No matter what happens tomorrow, I promise I will be there standing beside you the entire time.
Thank you, Alex, because that means more to me than you could possibly imagine.
Congratulations once again, Emma, because your project was easily one of the most impressive entries this year.
Thank you so much, because I worked harder on this project than anything I have ever done before.
Emma, are your parents coming to watch your award ceremony today, or are they busy again?
They said they would try their best, so I am hoping they will surprise me and show up.
My entire family came today because they would never want to miss an important moment like this.
That must feel really nice, because sometimes I wonder what that kind of support feels like.
Emma, I made it just in time, and there was no way I was going to miss your big day.
Seeing you here already makes me feel better, because I was worried nobody would come.
You deserve support today because you worked incredibly hard and earned every bit of this success. Alex, everyone has been talking about your academic achievements and debate victories all week.
I appreciate that, but today is about my sister, because she deserves all the attention right now.
Thanks for saying that, because sometimes it feels like people only notice the successful students.
Alex, could you come with me for a moment because I need to discuss a scholarship opportunity? Right now seems like terrible timing, but I suppose it will only take a few minutes.
Please do not disappear because my ceremony is about to begin and I want you there.
I can barely breathe because my heart is beating faster than it ever has before.
First place goes to Emma Carter for her outstanding creativity, effort, and scientific understanding.
Congratulations, Emma, because you truly earned this achievement through dedication and hard work.
Thank you so much because this moment means more to me than anyone could ever imagine.
Is your family here today? Because they must be incredibly proud of your accomplishment.
My brother was here earlier, but I do not know where he went just before the ceremony started.
Perhaps he will join you in a few moments, because this is a special family occasion.
Maybe, but right now I just wish someone from my family were standing beside me.
Please give Emma another round of applause for her remarkable achievement and determination.
Everyone is clapping for me, but somehow I still feel completely alone right now.
She left shortly after the ceremony ended, and she looked really upset when she walked away.
Oh no. She would never leave like that unless something was seriously bothering her.
Mom, please answer your phone because something is wrong and I really need your help.
I am still in a meeting right now, so can this wait until a little later?
No, it cannot wait because Emma left the school alone and nobody knows where she went.
What do you mean she is gone? Because she should have been celebrating with everyone.
I am leaving work right now because finding Emma is more important than anything else.
Maybe nobody would even notice if I disappeared because everyone always seems busy with something else.
Excuse me, young lady. You seem upset and lost, so... Is everything all right with you?
I am fine, but I do not really know where I am supposed to go anymore.
Why don't you sit down for a moment and tell me what happened today?
I won a big award today, but somehow it ended up being one of the loneliest days of my life.
Sometimes people become so busy that they forget how much their presence means to someone they love.
I wish my family understood that because all I wanted was for them to be there.
Emma, thank goodness we found you because we have been searching everywhere for hours.
I was so worried because I could not stop imagining all the things that might have happened.